today we're going to Winnipeg. And it'll be so fun. Hello guys. Today we're going to Winnipeg by plane and we're going to the airport today. And in Winnipeg there's a heat warning in Winnipeg.
Good morning, guys. Time check. 5:40 ng umaga.
Yep, we woke up at an early time and our plane boards at 7 something, maybe so.
So, ayun. Galing kasi ako sa evenings. And
You
then,
must have seen our camping vlogs already. So you wanted to try another vlog? Watch this from going from Calgary to Winnipeg by plane.
2 hours pa lang ang tulog ko. Kaya pagpasensyahan nyo na. Kakain tayo dun sa lounge nila. Gusto nating itry yon. And libre lang. So,
I
isama
hope
ko kayo first time
I
natin
hope
itry
their lounge
yun.
is yummy because and I always watch plane videos and he always goes to the lounge.
Mahilig kasi ito sa plane. Nung bata siya, then nung pumunta kami dito, 2 years kasi wala kaming laboy by plane, puro by land. So, nung nag-plane ulit kami, na-spark ulit yung hilig niya sa aeroplano. Kaya, yun.
So,
Pala kami, magpa-park pala kami sa airport,
yeah.
economy.
And there's even a red sunset and it's gonna be so fun. I hope the lounge has yummy food.
Gutom na to. Gising ako ng nakatulog na ata ako guys mga 2 AM kasi kapag from work parang gising pa yung utak mo. Then nagising ako nag-alarm ako 4:20. Doon pa lang ako naghilamas, talagang humiga muna ako.
And then, one more thing. How fun did you watch our Stampede? Did you watch our Stampede Park? How fun was it? Was it really fun? Comment down below. Rate the Stampede vlog from 1 to 10.
Sige guys, mahaba na to. Bye-bye. Ang bilis. Ngayon lang kami nag-park dito sa Calgary Airport.
And we're already arrived at the Calgary Airport. I'm not scared.
May discount kasi sa work namin. Mas mura pala kaysa dun sa park and ride. Puno. Dami kasing tao dito sa Calgary. Kakahanap lang namin ng parking. Madami pa lang nagpa-park dun. Ayan, lakad papunta sa airport. Maiksing lakad lang. Mga 3-minute walk.
And hello guys, we're in the airport. We're we're gonna ride WestJet to Winnipeg today. I can see.
Ayun Stampede ready pala to eh. Ito. Yung 8:30 yata kami. I think.
8:33
I'm not
there,
sure.
look.
Let's ask Daddy. Papunta na kami dun sa lounge. Kakapas lang namin sa security.
And our gate is C59 and the flight number is 2 WestJet 222.
8:10 yung departure namin. So, sana ma-enjoy pa natin yung lounge. Na-excite kami. First time. Ang daming guys na harang kanina sa security. Tsaka sobrang haba. Buti, maliit pa si Kian. So, doon pa rin kami sa priority boarding. Ang bilis. Ang dami naming nalagpasan. No, Han? Buti nga, hindi naharang ni isa. Yeah. Waka later tayo. Kasi, malapit na
I can
yung...
smell some food already.
Para ma-enjoy natin yung lounge. Hindi kasi agad nagising si na Ivan. Finally guys, nahanap namin. Lumampas na pala
It was on
kami.
level B.
Yeah, hindi pala siya sa C. Tsaka nakatakain siya sa side. Dapat pala hindi kami nag-walkalator. Eto na siya.
I now feel hungry.
Me too.
That's mom too.
Ayun, oh. Elevation Lounge. Ayan, nag-check-in lang kami, guys.
Yeah.
Eto na, lahat daw through the
I
QR.
hope the food are good.
Ordering palahan, by order pala. Tarahan. Sa likod, no? Ang laki, guys. Saan tayo, Han ko?
Look, fireplace. Look.
Yeah. Baka bawal kasi may ano pala dito. Ito, family space. Punta tayo sa family space. Nice. May laruan daw dito. Ooh. Kiano, look. Oh. Maliit lang pero pwede na, 'di ba? Pagkaabalahan ng bulilit. Malaki sa loob. First time mo. Lahat daw is through the QR code. Mag-o-order. By order pala. Hindi pala siya buffet. I mean buffet type pero by order. Ayos ah. So, wait lang guys. Click natin yung QR code. May sinabi siya, 7 o'clock daw. Anong isa-serve? Coffee?
Champagne.
Oh, champagne. Ba, social. Start your order. Number of guests, 3.
Yeah. So I love it.
Ayan. You love it?
Lovely. Football, croissant. I'm still deciding. I'm still deciding what I want to eat.
Okay. Ito, may croissant. Guys, libre lang to ah. Baka akala nyo. Charot. Lakas makapang mayaman eh. Oh, ayun no. May eggs benedict, pancake, scrambled eggs. Ayun na yun, Han ko.
Yun pala yun.
Breakfast lang talaga siya.
Breakfast lang ano.
Tapos ito sabi, mamaya pang 7.
Ako na ba yung mag-order or?
Oo, sige.
Ako sa akin.
Ayan, may drinks dito. Tsaka may juice doon. Meron ding ano dito. Self-serve. Hinatid pa dito guys. Social. Ayan o. So may fruits kami, croissant. May hot chocolate si Kian. May coffee latte ako. Tapos eggs benny. Kay Kian is pancake and sausage. Kain na no. Ayan o. Hi Han. Mag-hi ka naman dyan.
Okay.
Pareho kaming eggs benny. Kain na na. Yum, Kian. May hot choco pa yan. Ang galing. Yan, hindi lang siya yung parang akala ko ikaw pipili, no, Han? May nakita kasi akong vlog. Pipili sila. Or sa lunch kaya yun. Mm-mm.
Hindi yung option sa breakfast.
May shower room pa dito. Social. Ito, hindi ko napakita yung loob. Solve, guys. Busog na. Hindi kumain tong si Kian.
And
Why didn't you eat?
because I felt my tummy.
Aww. Ayun, no? Ayos. Akala ko yung kukuha ka ng food, pero baka sa business class talaga yun. Baka ibang lounge. Ewan ko.
Hello.
First time lang namin.
And it's already bright today.
Nagreklamo ka pa ba sa libre?
I know.
Saan ka makakakuha ng eggs benny na libre? Masarap in fairness. Halos mga kabayan nga
I didn't
natin yung
eat the
mga
pancakes and
nagsuserve
sausage.
doon.
I did eat the sausage and I forgot. So
Nanood lang to doon. Pupunta na kami sa gate namin. Tapos nakita na namin yung flight namin is 8:10 pala. WestJet 222.
Corn.
Yun.
C59. Ayun. Nagbo-board na ba, Han?
No.
Mag-board na soon.
Soon na.
Like, pila akong tubig yung ating ano.
Oo nga. Saan? Ito. Ito na kami, guys. C59.
Yeah. Hello,
Dito na
guys.
kami sa plane. Antay na lang umalis. Walang masyadong pila to Winnipeg. Dami pang vacant na seats. Ito, tabi-tabi kami. Yung sa Flair, sobrang nahihirapan kami. Nag-travel kami nung April. And may bayad yung extra seat kahit may kid ka. Hindi ka nila pagtatabi-tabihin. Sabi namin, hindi na kami mag-Flair ulit. Ayan. At least tabi-tabi kami. Automatic. Natatakot si Kian, pero you're a brave kid, right, anak?
Yeah.
Gloomy dito sa Calgary, ah. Hindi ko lang sure sa Winnipeg.
Hello, guys. We're now in YWG, Winnipeg Airport.
Welcome back, Winnipeg. After 2 years. Ang init na.
Go.
Ang forecast, guys, ng week.
After an hour and a half, we finally arrived at Winnipeg Airport.
Ayun, ah. Mabilis lang. Kala ko 2 hours.
And we parked at gate 5.
Mainit. This weekend, guys, 37 yung forecast dito. Pet
Imagine there was a 40-degree forecast.
Sunday, 37 degrees. Wow. We escaped the rain. Ang maulang Calgary. Ang init nga. Buti naka-shorts na kami. May mga nakaabang na. Oo nga. Na-miss na.
Ito, papasok na sila.
Ayun. Washroom muna. Pa-picture tayo mamaya.
Look, you see? Look at the gate. Look.
Number 5, yes. Bago tohan.
I wonder what.
Ano to yung lounge nila?
Sell something?
Siguro.
Hello, guys. I wonder when we're done our trip. I wonder what our gate number would be now.
You can't see it yet. It's just for the... Kunin lang namin yung luggage namin. May isa kaming check-in bag. Pa-picture din tayo doon. Never ever kami sa stay namin dito. Nagpa-picture doon na sa ina. Ayun, no. Nostalgic, guys. 2 years. Ang dami nangyari sa amin sa Calgary. It's been a while. Balikan natin yung mga dinaanan natin before. Everybody that's coming in has just been beautiful. So.
Look over there.
Kunin na natin. Sige. Cheese! Nakawaki pa siya eh.
Good. Masasabi niyo sa Winnipeg.
Turista feels. Turista feels.
What airport is this?
YWG.
Richard, ayan na ba yun?
Winnipeg Richardson.
Winnipeg Richardson. Tumawag guys yung rental car namin and hindi pa daw ready yung car by 1 p.m. pa. Eh, ang init sa labas. Dito muna kami. Papa-aircon tayo. Ano bang bago? Wala. Parang ang alam ko may Generate na sa taas. Wala pa yon nung andito kami. So far, pareho lang din. Dito sa airport. Tsaka mas tahimik. Daming tao sa Calgary eh. Busy lagi, anytime.
Yeah.
Yung daan,
And
lahat. Airport, lahat-lahat.
Our total flight time was 1 hour 36 minutes.
Ayun, na-miss namin to. 10 years ba naman kami dito? Ikaw 11. 11 years. Ako 10 years. Ayun. Happy lang to be back.
Almost 12 years.
Ayun guys, i-end ko na yung vlog natin dito. Itutuloy natin sa mga gala dito. And itutour namin kayo sa Winnipeg.
And we're gonna we're gonna vlog again going back to Calgary. See you guys.
Next time, nag-aantay lang kami ng oras.
And our trip in the plane had a little bit of turbulence in the clouds.
Dito kasi kumain. Ayan.
While taking
Dito
off.
pa siya kumain.
While taking off and
Ah,
landing.
sige.
Ready ko ba?
Over pala kami papunta sa Waverly na budget. Nag-rent kami ng sasakyan. And thank you pala kay Tuto, yung kapatid ni Ivan, tsaka kay Asi, yung asawa niya. Kasi papatuloy nila kami. Otherwise, di ko alam kung mababalik muna kami dito. Kasi mas mahal talaga yung ticket
English muffin.
and accommodation and even the car, no, rental. Kung dito sa airport.
Okay,
Kung magta-travel dito compared sa Vancouver. Kaya hindi kami makapunta-punta. Nung Pasko pupunta kami pero 800 per head. Grabe, overpriced.
Nice though.
No? Pero ngayon, kung pati accommodation na mag-hotel pa tayo, magkano? Ganun din, no? 800 din, guys.
And I've got an English muffin with bacon and egg and cheese.
Kaya thank you kay Tutoy tsaka kay Asi. Kasi otherwise, baka hindi muna kami mag-visit dito. Ang mahal talaga, guys.
Yeah.
Pangbili na lang kung ano or travel na lang somewhere
We're
else.
gonna be in Winnipeg for 5 days. From
Yes.
July 9 to 14.
Ayun. Bago, back to reality ulit.
Ito yung
1 o'clock pa yung kotse. Anuhan ko?
$18.
Uber?
Over.
Uber. Sige guys, kain muna to. And time check, it's 11:39. Nag-jump
Yep,
ng 1 hour yung time.
Calgary is
1 hour behind.
1 hour behind, and Winnipeg is 1 hour
Ahead.
What? Ahead.
Of time.
behind and ahead.
Ito weather guys dito.
Yeah,
the
it's
next
gonna
few
be
days,
so hot.
35,
37.
37, 33. Whoa.
That's gonna be our last day.
Yeah. Wednesday is our last day. Sa Calgary, hindi masyadong mainit. Ito pala nakakatuwa dito. Pag arrival mo, para ka magde-debut. Aabangan ka dyan bababa sa escalator. Ang galing nga eh. Tapos dito yung mga sasalubong. May hug rug dyan eh. Tsaka yung ceiling dito sa airport, ang ganda. Yung bilog-bilog dyan.
We are like a DD daughter today.
daughter.
What you say? Last time we were here.
There's humbug here, right? In this building. Humbug.
What's humble?
Yeah, Polo Park's there.
Huh? Polo Park, yay! My favorite.
You miss Polo Park?
Polo Park's a good mall.
Yeah. You used to like the elevator all the time.
Park, right?
Yeah.
Like when you were in Winnipeg, which part you were just...
Do this.
Oh yeah.
Dito na kami sa may outlet collection. Naka-IKEA. Hindi lang makuhanan dito sa video. Nasa likod kasi kami ni Kian
What?
ng sasakyan.
Outlet collection.
Alam pa ni Kian eh. Yun, outlet collection.
I forgot it, but now
Visit
I
natin
know.
yan one of these days. Tsaka yung
I love
IKEA dito.
Outlet
Malayo to sa amin dati.
I love to see brothers and
Traffic
sisters.
dito eh. Rush hour
Oh yeah,
lagi.
I wish.
Lalo pag rush hour.
Krispy Kreme, look.
Oh, wow, Krispy Kreme donuts. Remember we had this in Edmonton?
Yeah.
Huh.
We have one in
St. James.
I'm not sure if we have some in the south here, no? Reality in the south here.
Ito naman yung
Ito
sa
naman.
Keneston na
Eto man.
mga outlet
Ito,
shops.
Boxing.
Meron pa sa kabila eh. Pero hindi ko
Copy yan.
mapakita. Kasi
Copy
nandito
yan.
kami sa kabilang side ni Kian.
Yucky.
Grabe guys, nostalgic talaga. Nakakatuwa. Tsaka slower pace. Na-miss ko rin to. Busy rin talaga sa Winnipeg. 161, ay sa Calgary, sorry. 161 ang gas dito. Pareho lang sa Calgary. 158.
Solar dental care. Solar. Me, I don't like
Malayo-layo
that
rin pala tong budget.
I'm
161.9 ang gas.
I don't think we've never been here.
Nakuha na natin yung rental car.
And it has damages and scratches.
Itong road na to, dati itong Bishop Grandin. Nung paalis na kami sa Winnipeg, ito na yung usap-usapang ipapangalan. Pero ngayon lang namin siya nakita. Abinoji Mika na. Ito na yung pangalan niya. Sabi, no, Jimmy ka na. Punta na kami sa kapatid ni Ivan. Andun yung parents ni
No.
Ivan. Kasi tulog sila, tsaka si Asi. Galing daw sila sa night shift. Magising nga yung utak ko eh. 2 oras lang tulog ko. Gising na gising pa ang
Again,
utak
oh,
ko.
look, there's even a charging here. Look.
There are ports, anak. Gusto lang i-video tong mga dinadaanan namin para memories din namin. Dati naming dinadaanan before, di ba? Iba talaga feels dito pagbagsak namin ulit sa Winnipeg, slower pace. Especially
Mommy,
driving
can I
talaga.
Can I have the bag?
Which bag?
The purple.
1 second, it's so heavy, anak ko.
Oh, good thing you're not the driver.
4 minutes away lang from here.
Oh, they're doing barbecue?
Yes.
No. It's raining.
Andun pala si Tutoy dito sa labas.
Oh, show the barbecue. Show. Barbecue.
Barbecue. With
Dito.
fire in it.
With fire in it. Look.
It's burning fire.
See? It's burning fire.
Yeah. And even Ayan. Giving.
You play with Kian.
And even.
You play with Ayan.
O,
And
dun
even
ka.
cousin Ayan.
Dun
Oh,
ka,
play with
Kian.
ano? Play with Ayan. Play with
with Ayan.
Ayan and Ayan. Go.
Oh, you sit here.
Oh, go sit ka rin doon.
Ayun na.
Kuya Kian.
Oh, sit ka na. Sit ka na.
Go.
Oh, sit ka na. Sit ka
Go, take a
na.
picture.
Just take a picture. Go. Go ka na. Sit ka
Sige
na.
na, sige na.
Go ka, sit ka na. Sit ka na.
Tatlo,
You're
go
the
there,
big
go there.
brother. Oh, you
Show
said
the
go there.
picture,
You're the big
souvenir.
brother. Are you the big brother?
I was
Si
a
mami, tsaka si daddy.
No, I wish I'm a baby again.
Ian, go there. Ian, go there. Take a picture. Why?
I'll go. I wish I'm a
Sige
baby
na.
again. I'll go na. We'll take picture na. Picture.
Yung pinsan ni Kian.
Oh, see? Oh, Ilo wants
Si
to play with you.
Ailo.
Go. Oh, show.
Si Ayan. Ayun.
Parang.
look. He wants to play with
Oh, careful.
Dad.
Marunong ka na bumaba, di ba? Oh, go down, go down, go down.
Nagba-barbecue pa sila.
Marunong ka na, di ba?
Yes, the spicy.
Let's look at Tito Tito and
But it's too
Asi.
spicy.
It's too spicy. Ay, ko.
Daddy, my
It was
pig.
fault. Hi! Si Asi, tsaka si Tutoy, thank you sa pagpapatuloy. At nakapunta kami ulit. Ang mahal kasi ng hotel. Salamat. Ayan. Nagba-barbecue sila. Pasok tayo ulit.
Oh. Yeah, it just, well, I like bulldog too. The spicy wrap. Spicy? The spicy noodle.
Dito, Adrian. Ay, sasama na yan bukas. Si Mami.
Manood ng work game lang.
Hindi naman nila alam anong araw na. Charot.
Where's the corgi dog?
Ba, Kuya.
You're gonna.
Ailo. Hi.
Hi.
What if he?
Hi.
What if he touches the screen? Touches the screen.
It's okay. Tita Iris, say hi. Si Ayan nasa baba. Mamaya, kuhanin ulit natin.
Malakas din. Sa volume sa ano eh.
Ito si Daddy.
I win.
You win?
You win? Oh,
Mommy, she's gonna catch you.
He walks so fast.
you walk so fast. I know, right? Oh. Look po. I know will touch you.
Mommy.
Ah,
Touch the screen. Touch the
dami
screen.
tite.
I'll sit him here.
Yay! Kasi.
Oh,
It's okay.
You know the colors?
Mulang kasi nung kayo siguro.
Kasi lalo bird early. Hindi ako na.
Oh, keep it indigo.
Ayun o. May food tayo. Care of. Salamat. Salamat sa sponsor.
Salamat
Thank you sa sponsor.
Ano naman yung hangin ako?
Everybody, dinner starts now.
Ba! Hey, hello! Say cheese! Hi!
Dinner starts. The big feast starts now.
Where's Tito Adrian? Where's Tito Adrian? Still
Everybody
inside.
come out. Dinner is starting now.
Si Ayan. Kukulawin namin si Ayan.
Ayan! Dito ka! Iris! Dito kami na lang.
Dito na kayo.
Ayan.
Kami.
Tito Adrian! Oh. Dinner starts now. Galit-galit muna tayo.
Dinner starts now.
Dinner starts now. Kian daw. Kian, there's birds.
Wow. Birds. Another version of the seagull. It's called another version of a seagull. Mommy, this is another version of a seagull. Black
Right?
seagulls.
Okay.
You wanna see the birds flying?
Daddy, look. Daddy, help me jump down.
What do you want to eat, Ian? Let's go. You want rice?
Me, yes.
Wow! Ayan! Wow! Ayun guys, umuwi na rin sina kuya, tsaka sina mami. And nag-freshen up na kami.
And we already took a bath, but except Daddy, he's taking a bath. And
Time check is 11 o'clock.
yep. Wait. But the real time check is
10:55.
wait, guys. The real time is 10:56.
Ayun guys, salamat sa pagsama
Yeah,
sa
and
vlog
we're gonna
namin today.
sleep.
And tutulog na kami bukas. Punta kami sa St. Malo. Tapos,
It's
i-celebrate
51
yung
minutes.
40th birthday. Alam ko, nalipasan na yung 40th birthday ni Ivan. Pero ito talaga yung gift niya na gusto yung pumunta kami dito. And syempre gusto ko rin pumunta dito. Dahil 2 years na since hindi kami nakabalik.
And then
Since
we're gonna
pumunta
vlog
kami
again
or
tomorrow.
nag-move kami sa Calgary.
And then we're gonna vlog again tomorrow. So see you tomorrow.
Good night. Bye.
Bye.